As many of you have surely noticed, I have not made any videos for a while. Why? Yet again, I've had my videos flagged and taken down. This has been a going occurrence and resulted in not only videos I take great pride in being taken down, but my account being penalized with warnings. These videos did not violate any terms of service policy, yet still fell prey to YouTube's flawed system. For those of you who knew me well and or have been long followers of me, you know I am against censorship, conformity, socially implied morals, and being submissive to the wrongs or beliefs of others. It's because of my humanistic way of life that I've decided not to give in and promote this cooperate monster anymore. I find it hypocritical and foolish to take offense to a system yet continue to help it thrive. I debated about not making videos at all anymore, but I decided on a more reasonable solution. I will no longer be making videos for others, from obligation or to remain active. I will be making videos for myself. Does this mean the tutorial and other random videos you've enjoyed that have motivated you to subscribe will be no more? No. I will still be making tutorials and other random videos because I enjoy making them. However, I will be doing it on my own terms, at my own convenience, and regarding what I feel like touching base on. This also means that YouTube will simply be a hobby of mine when I am bored. I will no longer spend hours, days, and even weeks responding to the thousands of comments and personal messages I get. This does not mean I will not look or respond to any comment or personal message I receive. I probably will still check on some of the comments and personal messages I receive and even respond to a few if I have time and feel like doing so, but only to show my appreciation or reply to a unique, helpful, or kind remark. I truly am amazed at how many people have praised me for my content, how many have subscribed to my content because they truly enjoy it, and how many people I've helped or provided entertainment to. I sincerely appreciate every person that watches, comments, personal messages, responds, promotes, and keeps up with me. For all of you that have done so, I wish I did not have to take this route but feel as though I have no choice. I can't stand the thought of my account being inevitably banned for no reason despite putting forth so much effort into keeping up with everyone, helping, and being consistent in my videos. To my viewers, you fucking rock! To the greedy corporations and mind-washed conformists, fuck you! There's no Santa Claus.